Welcome to the in front of me Nokia G11, and I'll show you how to change screen recorder sound settings on that device. So let's just first open the notification panel, and here somewhere on top bar you should find the screen record icon. In my case it's here. Now just start recording and just to launch the settings. Before you start recording, hold for a while this icon and you'll see here the record audio section. We can see that now our screen recording is muted because the switcher is turned off. We can turn on the switcher to use the microphone, and also we can switch it to the device audio. So now we'll use only device audio, for example the music on our device, the ringtones, the system sounds. If you wanna use the microphone, you can comment something in your screen recording. Also we can use this to feature the device audio and the microphone together. If you wanna just mute again the screen recording, you should just click here once again on this switcher, and that's it. And after that just click here to start the recording, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.